it's Alex from laughingplace.com here today with an unboxing video. I'm here at the Grand Californian Hotel at the Disneyland Resort doing this because that's when this came and I'm at Disneyland now. This is the Walt Disney Signature Collection version of Walt Disney's Lady and the Tramp. And this has this awful multi-screen edition banner up top. When they first released the image of the artwork online, I saw that and I went, what is that? Why is that there? Well, there it is. We have to live with it. They also have this big sticker letting you know there's 3 ways to watch the movie, plus all new extras, and obviously it's compatible with Movies Anywhere. And then this banner down here at the bottom. Now this slipcover does have kind of a silver sheen on the exterior and on the emblem of the Walt Disney Signature Collection, and then it is embossed. On the side, it is both Lady and Tramp. It's the same on both sides. And then here is the back of the box. A lot of white space, quite bland. It lets you know the 3 ways to watch the movie. There is a brand new sing-along edition. You can also watch the Walt Disney Inside the Story Meetings, which is like an audio commentary. They took the story meeting transcripts. They had actors pretend to be Walt Disney and his storymen. And then there's the original theatrical version. Of the new bonus features, there is Stories from Walt's Office, which is a tour of the newly restored Walt Disney office at the Burbank studio. Then there is Walt Disney and His Dogs, which is a lot of archival recordings of Walt Disney. I think it was from an interview around the time Lady and the Tramp came out in theaters, talking about all of the dogs that were important to him in his life, all the way from his childhood up to his poodle named Lady. And then the last one is called How to Make a Meatball. That bonus feature is there for the teens who are interested in this. It's hosted by somebody from Oh My Disney. Then it has a 16-year-old chef showing you how to make a meatball, because that's hard to do. Underneath, this is the case beyond that replicates the artwork. Nothing new or different there. Let's see what's inside. Alright, so my inserts started to slide out right away, but there are the discs. No disc art, as is the usual with Disney Blu-rays in general and the Walt Disney Signature Collection. The first insert is a flyer for the Disney Movie Club, and it's the same on both sides. It has Cars 3, Moana, Pirates 5, and Lion King Signature Edition. And then this is the digital copy code. It's Lady and the Tramp branded, is for Movies Anywhere, and that will connect your digital copy to iTunes, Amazon Video, Vudu, and Google Play. So all 4 services connects all those accounts. And then you will have the Lady and the Tramp Signature Collection everywhere you go, Movies Anywhere. So here it is. Now, I did get to kind of preview the digital release since that came out a little bit early. And those 3 bonus features come out to about 15 minutes of new content. Pretty much everything else is on the digital copy that was on the Diamond Edition. So if you own the Diamond Edition, whether or not you upgrade or buy again for the Walt Disney Signature Collection is sort of up to you. Certainly the Inside Walt's Office is really cool, and then the Walt and His Dogs feature is really nice if you're a Disney history buff. The How to Make a Meatball I could have done without, but it does have that hour-long bonus feature that the making of that was originally created for the Diamond Edition DVD. That's all in the and more. And at first glance, I didn't see anything that was missing, but in the laughingplace.com review of this Walt Disney Signature Collection set, we will be going back, taking a look at all the previous releases, and we'll list anything that might be missing off this. This comes out on Tuesday, February 27th. You'll be able to pick that up in stores. You can get it digitally right now if you don't want to wait for the Blu-ray DVD combo pack. Thanks. Have a great day.